Choo-Choo School. Look at this. These trains are going to school.
But someone is missing.
Who?
What?
Trains. We got engine, boxcar, diner, sleeper. Hey, he's napping. What is that? Flat car, tank car, and last but not least, caboose. You get it?
No. Wait, someone's missing.
I don't know who's missing.
What?
That's welcome students. Good morning, good morning. All aboard the train carpool. Look at that. Now we're off and rolling. Next stop is Choo-Choo School. We're greeted as we pull in. Welcome to the day. And principal calls out, no racing in the hallway. Get it? Teacher takes his place up front. He helps us stay on track. Most of us like middle spots, but caboose works best in back. See, he has to go into back. Hey, yes, Susan. First, we recite the classroom rules. Work hard, play fair, be kind. Then teacher asks excitedly, are you ready to train your mind? With the math and numbers, it's not ready, but we're learning. We're concentrating very hard. See how our wheels are turning? You see those wheels turning?
No, see, you're supposed to be going.
Oh, you see the numbers on their heads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh. Teacher signals to the clock. It's 10:15. We chime. We zoom to our next station. Trains like to be on time. In gym, we practice climbing. We work together as a team. Chugga, chugga, chew, yahoo! It feels to blow off some steam.
Who's always tired?
Oh, that one's tired still?
Yeah, maybe he did fall asleep.
You're lucky you even made it to school.
I'm okay with it.
We fly through a long tunnel. It's dusty, flat car wheezes. Boxcars at the ready whenever someone sneezes. Ah-choo-choo. You get it? Because it's a train.
Huh? Choo-choo!
Now everyone is thirsty. Tank car has loads of juice. We take turns wetting our whistles. I'm always last, whines Caboose. He's last. You get it?
No, wait, he can feel dreams.
Oh, yeah. Lunch is always so much fun. Diner loves to entertain. What do you call us now? He jokes. A choo-choo train. Get it? After lunch, we go to music. Conductor leads us in song. Flat car sings a bit off key. We just smile and hum along. We're learning the whole alphabet. We've gotten pretty far. Do we have a favorite yet? Of course, it's the letter R. See? RR. Stands for railroad. Sleep car dozes off in class. He snores are quite a hoot. We know how to wake him. On the count of 3, toot, toot. When the final whistle blows, we put everything away. We line up single file and depart without delay. We rattle along together on the way home to refuel. It's time to rest, so we'll be pumped for another day at Choo-Choo School. Pages are stuck together. The end.
Wait.
Yeah, it's a train.
You might be trains going
Oh. The end.